Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the next term of given sequence, and the given sequence is 16, 17, 21, 30, 46. So we have to find the next term. Here let us see the difference. So we can observe that the difference here is from the first term to second term is 17 minus 16, which is equal to 1. Now 21 minus 17 gives 4. Similarly, this is 9 and this difference is 16. So let us see whether there is some pattern or not. We can write 1 as 1 square, 4 as 2 square, 9 as 3 square and 16 as 4 square. So following this pattern, we can say that next term should be something like 5 square. So following the pattern, we get next term as, we can see, 46 plus this 5 square. So this is 46 plus 5 square, which is equal to 46 plus 25, which gives 71. So 71 is option C. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.